That's how I roll. That's how I roll. How do I roll? Like that. How do I roll like that? Yeah. Fucking, you got to get dumbass.
You're gonna pee in your pants when you see this video. Oh my god, thank you. Thank you, Ian.
Yeah, I'm here for your fucking energy.
No, I mean, like, it's totally appreciated. Denmark.
Although the Icelandic women are so, you know, crude, just fucking rough around the edges.
That's Icelandic. That has nothing to do with Denmark.
It's fucking, I know, but I'm just saying, the women here are fucking amazing.
It has nothing to do with Denmark.
The women here.
Don't lose the faith.
The faith in what? Dude, dude, dude. You really believe in fucking me and Sarah?
I don't believe in anything.
Yeah, but you bring it up. Like it's a thing.
Because I think it's kind of funny.